Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to generate a QR code for your WhatsApp number. To allow anyone to chat with you on WhatsApp without needing to save your number, follow these simple steps. First, you'll need to create a special WhatsApp link. You can find this link in the description below. Once you have the link, open any text editor and paste it there. Now, you'll need to replace the example phone number in the link with your own WhatsApp number. Make sure to include your country code at the beginning. For example, if you are in the United States, your country code is +1. So the number will start with +1, followed by your WhatsApp number. Be sure not to include any spaces, brackets, or dashes in the number. Once that's done, copy the updated link. Next, let's create the QR code. Open the website QR Code Monkey, which is also linked in the description. Paste your new WhatsApp link into the URL field. If you want, you can upload a logo or image to customize your QR code. When you're ready, click on Create QR Code and the website will generate your WhatsApp QR code. Now, download the QR code as a PNG file and it's ready to use. You can share this code with others, and when they scan it, they'll be able to chat with you on WhatsApp without needing to save your number. And that's it. That's how you generate a QR code for your WhatsApp number. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.